So today we're looking at the Aomago 32 gig A36 audio recorder. I picked this up on Amazon because I wanted to have a separate audio source while making my videos. It was like 35 bucks. I think there was a $2 coupon at the time I bought it. So brought it down to like $33 plus tax. Not a bad deal. On Amazon it looked a lot bigger than it did when I received it, so hopefully it works out pretty well. So let's take a peek. Got the box. So we got the instructions, which I might look at this time. We got a become a member VIP, get an extra warranty. So it looks like they want you to fill out something on their website. Here's some emails. They give us a USB cable. It's a micro USB for charging and probably to get the recordings onto your computer. And then finally the device itself. The A36 32 gig voice recorder. Dual microphone. Buttons look pretty nice. The black on black, I don't know if you guys can see that, but the black on black is pretty hard to see. They should have put something else on there to make it easier to see. Pretty light. It's kind of small. It's about 4 inches by like 1.5 inches, maybe half an inch this way. So I picked this up. I'm going to give it a go. It has a external microphone that you can use in addition to their microphone, so I'm probably gonna order an external microphone today and get that tomorrow, and then do some testing on it to see how well it's gonna be as an audio source rather than using the camera or the microphone that's on the camera. Looks like they have another little thing here, so I'm gonna test this out. Let's see if it powers on. Yep, so it does come charged a little bit. You have your recording settings, and you can actually use it as a music player. So we'll try it out. I will do another video with some of the audio testing on it. We can charge it up, maybe read the manual a little bit, see if there's any fancy settings on there. It's supposed to play back at 1536 kbps, which is a higher quality. It allows you to record an MP3 and WAV. You can always do a line in or an external mic. So you can record from your phone if you wanted to. Probably. We'll read this, we'll take a look at it. Just wanted to open this up, see what's in there, show you guys what we're getting. And hopefully you'll take a look at my next video when I do some of the actual audio testing on this. If you like this video or if you want to see some other stuff, leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll do my best to get something you guys want to see. Enjoy.